what are some fat-rich foods that are keto approved? So keto approved, if we're talking specifically about what are some fat-rich foods that are considered to be good options for someone that is doing a ketogenic diet, really the main thing is sticking to whole foods, so real unprocessed whole foods, and things like that would people consider fatty animal meats and fatty fish. Nuts, some nuts in particular, like macadamia nuts, have a very high fat content. Avocados, things like olive oil. These are some common go-tos for high fat ketogenic friendly foods. A lot of people, find plenty of room to fit in some of these higher fiber, lower sugar type fruits, for example, and vegetables. So berries, for example, is a really good option for fruits, and then for vegetables, kind of shying away from the starchier vegetables and preferentially eating like green leafy vegetables, for example, sprouts, cauliflower, these kind of things.